Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It's now almost 10 o'clock here in Minnesota, and I just finished working after a full day. So I recently read some comments about folks creating their own cocktail of motor oil in order to solve multiple issues within an oil change interval. For an example, mixing 3 quarts of Valvoline Restore and Protect with 3 quarts of Valvoline High Mileage for an engine that takes 6 quarts. The thought is that you would be able to restore your engine to factory new and protect or condition the engine seals. I think this is an interesting concept and something I've been really curious about. I therefore reached out to Valvoline about it and wanted to share with you all their response. Spoiler alert, you shouldn't be mixing oils. Okay, in this first email from Valvoline, I asked about mixing oil and if anyone should be doing it between their high mileage and restore and protect line in order to achieve the benefits from both cleaning the engine and protect the seals. Here's what they said. Thank you for contacting Valvoline product support. You're welcome. We do not recommend blending or mixing varying formulations. Mixing could dilute the additives, possibly leading to reduced performance and protection. While mixing oils may not immediately harm your engine, it could lead to decreased performance, increased wear, or shorter oil life. Restore and Protect does contain premium high-quality seal conditioning agents we recommend using for the life of the vehicle. Prolonged oil change intervals or lack of maintenance can contribute to the hardening of engine seals as old, contaminated oil loses its lubricating properties and can cause seals to deteriorate over time, leading to potential leaks. Using a full synthetic formula such as our Restore and Protect with premium full synthetic base oil and advanced innovative additives and seal conditioners consistently as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer will provide the best results to maintain the flexibility of seals. Wow, that's a lot of words. Preventing leaks and extending their lifespan. Thank you and have a great day. Valvoline product support. Okay, in the second email I got from Valvoline, I told them, okay, well, if the Restore and Protect is already addressing the seals, then what's the point in the high mileage product line? Here's what they said. Please see the following attachment comparing the various product lines' performance. Restore and Protect is the highest performing product in the Valvoline portfolio overall. The only slight advantage the high mileage full synthetic products offer over Restore and Protect is the elevated level of seal conditioning agents for a vehicle with an active oil leak. The high mileage products are generally recommended for vehicles already experiencing leaks or those that were neglected in terms of maintenance. If Restore and Protect is used consistently per the OEM intervals and routine maintenance is performed as specified by the OEM, the seals will perform to their designed OE lifespan. You may also read more about Restore and Protect in the FAQ blog below. And here's the attachment they referenced in the email. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a look at it. Okay, sorry this video wasn't as exciting as my others, but I still think it's worth knowing. For those who are mixing oils, let me know in the comments if what Valvoline shared changed your mind. For those who are using Valvoline Restore and Protect, did you know that it contains seal conditioning agents? Let me know in the comments because I honestly didn't know. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.